In this video, I will show you exactly how to get a cybersecurity job in 2026. I have recruited for more than 14 years and I see beginners make the same mistakes every single week. Let me save you months of guessing. Now, in other videos I've done more detailed, in-depth plans, which I'll leave in the description below. However, if you watch this video to the end, you'll have a very basic, simple, easy to follow plan that will get you hired in cyber in 2026. Let's get straight to it. Step 1, pick the right starting role. Now, most beginners overcomplicate this. You don't need to learn everything in cyber. You only need to choose one realistic starting point. If you want a clear path with lots of openings, I recommend starting with a SOC Analyst or a Cybersecurity Analyst roles. Now, these are the roles I see hired at the highest volume for beginners. They teach you foundations that open the door to everything else later. If you try to jump straight into pen testing or cloud security or red team work, you'll struggle because these roles normally require real experience. Whereas if you start with something, hiring managers are actually open to hiring early talent. Step 2, choose 1 or 2 learning paths, not 5. Here is where a lot of people waste time. You don't need 10 courses and 5 certifications to get your foot in the door. You need 1 or 2 simple learning paths you can finish. I recommend picking something like the Network Plus, the Security Plus, or the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. These will give you the structure and enough theory to talk confidently in interviews. Hiring managers care that you finish something. They don't care that you started 10 different things but you've abandoned all of them. Your ability to complete a structured learning path, it signals discipline, which matters more than the actual certification itself. Step 3, build one project that proves you have skills. This is the biggest difference between people who get interviews and people who don't. Employers trust proof. They like plans, they like passion, but they love proof. Now, build one strong project that shows you can actually do something. It's not just theory. It could be a detection lab, a small home lab, a vulnerability scan walkthrough, a cloud security step, or even analyzing logs and explaining what you found. One clear, well-documented project will put you ahead of most beginners. Trust me, I've seen people with no experience get interviews purely because they could show me a project. It tells me they are serious and not just watching videos. Step 4, fix your resume using simple recruiter rules. You do not need a fancy resume, you need a clear one. Keep it to 1 page, 2 maximum, but in reality at this stage in your career, it's most likely to be 1. Lead with your certification, your project, and the skills you can actually demonstrate. Avoid long paragraphs about unrelated roles. Focus on what you know, what you have built, and how you approach problem solving. That's key. I look at resumes all the time, and the people who get interviews are the ones who show me what they can do, not the ones who write long essays about what they hope to learn. And finally, step 5, apply for roles smarter, not harder. If you want results, do not spam hundreds of applications. Apply with real intent. Pick roles that the skills you can explain. Use company career sites instead of only relying on job boards, and connect with hiring managers and recruiters on LinkedIn with a short message. A simple introduction gets you noticed far more than clicking apply on 50 random roles. That's one of the biggest bits of advice I can tell you about applying for jobs. Do this and watch the results. The people who get hired are not the ones applying the most. They're the ones who are applying with a clear strategy. Now, if you follow these 5 steps, you will stand out from most beginners in the market. These are the exact things I see work every week in real hiring processes. And once again, if you want a deeper guidance, my channel has full roadmaps and breakdowns that walk you through every step in a lot more detail, and I'll leave the links below. And if you want a complete how-to guide on career development, check out my new ebook or book a coaching session. I help people break into cyber and level up their careers every week. Thanks for watching. Always keep leveling up your career. I'll see you on the next video.